Is it good? Which one did you taste?
Oh.
The pomegranate. Oh. That one tastes really good. Which one? The blackberry ginger? Okay, we're gonna taste the blackberry ginger balsamic. Wait, blackberry ginger balsamic vinegar. Okay. May I taste the blackberry ginger balsamic? Please. Say sure balsamic. Oh my god.
It's vinegar, but it's eating.
I love this.
I told you.
I love blackberry, like, period.
Me too.
And this is like perfectly, like, it has a little tang to it. May I also try the pomegranate one, please? We don't taste everything. Perfect, thank you. All right. So this one we are tasting is the pomegranate balsamic vinegar. Charlie's hanging in there. Oh my god. I'm so glad we came here. Oh my god, this tastes so good. Okay, I wasn't expecting this one. This one's like a pop of like
It is.
pomegranate.
It tastes really like
And I like how it has like the way you can use this and like different pairings. It says you can like pair it with orange olive oils combined with blackberry, dark chocolate balsamic vinegar for a great dressing dessert sauce. Interesting. May I ask you a question? How long does it take to curate these oils?
Our vinegars are aged up to 18 years.
Okay. 18 years for the vinegars. Wow. And then what about the oils?
The oils, this is fresh product, so it just follows the harvest around the globe with the fresh oils, so it just depends on where it's harvest time of that product. Currently we have the southern hemisphere, so we have Peru, we have Chile, and Australia.
Wow. Thank you. This is such a cute place with their balsamic vinegars, their oils, and then we also have different candles.